Welcome back. Abby and I are back in our plant jungle to talk more about stems. Now, we've talked about stems and how they do the work to hold the leaves up to the sunlight so the plant can make its food. And now I want to talk to you more about a special part of the stem or a special adaptation of the stem. We gathered lots of different kinds of plants here to talk about some different things. So we have the Swiss cheese plant here in the front, and then a peace lily in the middle, and the coleus that we've looked at before. And what is this one called again, Abby?
A Dracaena.
Dracaena, a dragon plant?
I think so. Dragon tree.
Dragon tree, the Dracaena. So we grabbed just a couple different ones to talk about. And so we're going to look at the way the stems connect to the leaves. So first we have a sample that Abby clipped off of a plant so that we could see it. And then we'll look at some of these other ones. So if you remember from our leaf lesson, we talked about the stem or the petiole, the part of the leaf that attaches to the stem. And so here we have a leaf. Whoa, it was really big. Here we have a leaf. This is off of a coleus, and we can see the petiole, where the petiole connects to the plant. We see the lamina, the green part, and we can see the veins. Now the veins on this one are making a really strange pattern. That's not what the coleuses all look like. This one just was really unique. I'm going to turn it over so you can see here. So when this plant is connected to the main stem, before the smaller piece of the leaf comes off, this connects right to the stem. So you can see that the stem is connected right in, and the stem continues into the leaf as the veins. The veins are a continuation of the stem, and that helps to understand the work of the veins and the work of the stem. It's the transport system. It's how the food and the water is transported through the plant. This one has such a weird vein structure. I just want you to get an idea what that looks like. That one's pretty cool. So then I brought the peace lily over. This one is one of our classroom plants, and the vein structure on this is so different. So here's a leaf, and as it connects through, you can see the veins on this one. The veins, Abby, can you gently hold this over right there? Okay, perfect. You can see the vein, the stem is connecting up, and it connects into the veins of this peace lily. And the veins you can see are very straight lines in this one, not like they were in that coleus example at all. And here in our Swiss cheese plant, these ones are so much fun. Let's see, which one are you seeing? That one? See if we can look at this one right here. So here is the stem coming up, and you can see the stem connecting into the leaf as this main vein that comes down right between all of the Swiss cheese holes. And you can see that there are other lines of the veins coming out of that center main vein. So the stem connects into the leaf and continues into the leaf as the veins. The stem and the veins are the same, or they're the same part of the plant. It's really cool to think about how plants, stems and leaves are connected and joined by this one piece. You can see it really well here. The stem is coming up and it connects into the leaf as the vein. For your follow-up, I want you to draw some examples of stems connecting into leaves as their veins. And maybe you have some houseplants or plants that you can look at and see, maybe you can see how the stems extend into the leaf as a vein. We'll see you next time.
Bye.